Just, what is he doing? Bro turned around in the work parking lot. It's a teal 18-wheeler. And we don't, and it's got an unmarked, I guess it is marked, I-Force, but it's not one of our normal 18-wheelers that like drop off like sodas or paper, or I don't know what they're using all that paper for, or snacks for the vending machines. Like, I don't know why he's here. And he just, oh, there he goes. Yeah, but he's been there for a couple minutes. That's why I started recording. See, look, he's teal. Is he parking? He's gone off the road. Other than, I think he... What are you doing, brother? What are you doing, my guy, what are you doing? There's nobody. He's gone off the road. He's in the gravel, like, parked. I'm sorry, I don't know why this is so interesting. I wonder if he's supposed to be at like the airport or something. It's like right there. I'm not sure what that building is, but that is a private airport. Oh, you just missed it. A car just went past. You should be seeing them turn. There they go. He is off the road. I wonder what's going on. Did they turned off the 18-wheeler. Like, I just heard the air brakes. Dang. He's sitting in the parking lot, and like, I'm sure it's my hair, but like, I feel like I'm hallucinating because out of the corner of my eye, just every now and then, I see somebody walking, and there's nobody there next to me. And I know I'm not hallucinating. It's, my hair's fluffy. It's right in my eye, like right, see? So like, this entire peripheral vision is covered by hair, and it's windy. Let's throw me for a loop. I love trains. They sound so cool. Yeah. Yeah, but people, not people, are throwing me for a loop.